Hello viewers, thank you for visiting my channel. Today I'll show you how I made them so tasty and so crispy, delicious chicken wings. If I sound a bit excited, that's because they are actually so damn tasty. I can't explain, you'll have to try at home. So let's not waste the time and get on with the recipe. Here I've got 900 grams of chicken wings with skin and they are cleaned and washed. Let's add some spices in here. So I've got 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now let's combine everything really well. I hope you guys haven't noticed, but if you have, yes, I do have a lot of marks on my hands. That's because I have a cat and she loves me so much, she never let go of my hands. Anyways, all the spices are coated really well. Now cover it with the cling film and keep it in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours. To get the best result, I usually keep it overnight. Now let's move on to the next step and get our flour mixture ready. So here I've got 300 grams of plain flour. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Now mix everything really well and keep it aside. You can check out my chicken korma recipe by clicking on the top right hand corner. So it's been 24 hours and all the chicken wings are perfectly marinated. Now let's move on to the next step. As you can see, I've got 3 bowls here and 1 plate. This one has all the marinated chicken wings, some water in the next one. Here's the flour mixture that I prepared earlier, and a plate where you can place your chicken wings. Now I'll add all the chicken wings in the flour mixture and use your hand to coat the chicken wings really well with the flour mixture. Once you're happy with it, then place them on the plate, and now let's move on to the next step. So the second step is you put all the chicken wings into the water and soak it for a few seconds, take out, then put it back in the flour mixture. So basically I'm going to repeat the first step and the second step again. So the first step was mixing it with the flour mixture, and the second step was dipping it into the water for a few seconds and then take out and put it back in the flour mixture. To make it sound easier for you, in total I combined the chicken wings into the flour mixture 3 times and dipped into the water 2 times. So that's flour, water, and then flour again. Now this step is really exciting because I'm going to fry these babies. Can you actually see how perfectly it's combined? That means it's going to be really crispy when I fry them. So in a large frying pan or a deep fryer, heat the oil up to 350 degrees and add the chicken wings one at a time. After a minute, lower the flame to medium and fry for 10 minutes. Turn them over in every few minutes to make sure it's cooking evenly, and also you will get the perfect golden brown color all around it. You guys probably thinking that I'm so odd because I'm using fork for this, but I really find it so easier to work with a fork than anything else. Anyways, now it's been 10 minutes and all my chicken wings are ready and it looks so crispy, oh my god, and I know it's going to be so juicy inside. I can even tell this is the perfect golden brown color that you want. If you enjoy watching my recipes, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Every Sunday I upload a new recipe and I'm preparing so many recipes for you guys: steak, peppercorn mushroom sauce, stir fried seafood, and many more. I think I'm getting carried away and I really don't want to burn these gorgeous babies, so let's take them out from the oil. Oh my god, just look at them. It looks so tasty. I just can't wait to bite into it. Anyways, very shortly you will see the 2 different flavors that I made, so spicy barbecue and sweet chili honey. You can even have it on its own without any sauce. It would be even more crispier because you're not adding any sauce to it, so it's not wet. My favorite is eating them just like that or with the sweet chili honey. Please do check out my other recipes. They're really simple to try at home and I know you will definitely make them again. I want to thank to all of you for subscribing my channel. It actually makes me feel like I'm doing a really good job by sharing my recipes with you guys. If you like watching my recipes, then please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment box below. It actually makes me really happy and encourage me to make more videos for you guys. Anyways, now let's move on to the final step and I will show you what sauces I used. Before I start, and just to be clear, I'm not sponsored from any of these brands that I'm using. Now first let me show you the sweet chili honey one. In a bowl, add about 3 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of your favorite honey, And finally 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Now give it a quick mix and add some chicken wings in here. I'm going to add half of the chicken wings that I fried, and the other half I will keep it for a spicy BBQ flavour. Just a minute, can you actually hear that crispiness? It is super crispy without any butter or any corn flour. I hope you're enjoying watching this recipe. If you are, then please give it a thumbs up in the end. You can also follow me on social media, that's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and TikTok. Anyways, the sweet chili honey chicken wings are done and it smells so good, it's making me really hungry. Unfortunately, I can't bite into it yet, that's because I'm fasting. Now let me show you how simple it is to make this spicy BBQ sauce. In here I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of BBQ sauce. Add your favorite chili sauce and that's it. Now give it a quick mix and add the rest of the chicken wings in here. If you are new to my channel, then please make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon so you can receive notifications of my new recipe I upload every Sunday. Don't forget to check out my other recipes. They are very simple to make at home and I promise you they are so tasty. At the top right hand corner, here's one of the links for you to click on, which is very simple prawn curry recipe. Now take a look at these chicken wings. Are they crispy on the outside? Yes, definitely. Are they juicy inside? Yes, for sure. And what about the flavors? Oh, they are full of flavors. Really quickly, I have answered 3 main questions for you, so you have 3 essays, so why not try them at home? I really hope that you enjoyed watching this recipe today. If you have, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. If you actually have any suggestions, then please let me know and I will definitely bring it on for you. Last week I made salmon curry for my family and I added to my Instagram story. I got a lot of messages from people and they all want to know how I made it. They think it's delicious, it looks really good, so they want to know all the spices I used. So salmon curry recipe will be coming up soon. Thank you for watching this recipe today and I will see you in my next video. And just to remind you again, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Take care and stay safe.